If your Jeep Compass is ignoring your iPhone when you plug in, don't panic. It is usually a simple handshake error. Statistics show that the vast majority of these connection failures are caused by low-quality cables rather than actual hardware faults. Let us walk through the 5 most effective steps to get your infotainment system back on track. Start by swapping your cable for an official one. Check your iPhone's restrictions and try removing the pairing entirely from your Uconnect menu. If that fails, force a hard reset of your Jeep's head unit by holding the power button until the screen goes blank. Compatibility issues often arise when your iPhone software outpaces the older firmware on your Jeep's infotainment system. Most issues are just software glitches, but if the USB port itself is loose or physically damaged, you will need a technician. As you can see, the cost difference between a simple cable swap and a hardware port replacement is significant. If you're still stuck, try plugging in a different phone to isolate whether the problem is your specific device or the Jeep's port. Keep a non-conductive pick handy to clear pocket lint out of your phone's charging port, as this is a common culprit. Remember, sometimes the simplest solution is just unplugging and waiting 10 seconds before trying again. If these steps did not resolve your issue, it might be time to visit a Jeep dealer for a firmware flash. Drive safe.